Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Eccentrics. I'm Eccentrics. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. You hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for future notifications when I upload new videos, which is usually 1 to 2 times a day. So I've had a lot of comments on my channel asking me to do a video about repair serums. So a repair serum improves the texture of your skin, it improves the skin elasticity of your skin, it helps with clarity of the skin, renewed radiance of the skin. Some serums help with firmness, some serums help with sagging skin, and some serums help with basically multiple benefits to the skin. So let's dive in to why you should use a repair serum and is it worth the cost? Most repair serums are on the market are ranging anywhere between $75 and upwards of $900 to $1,600 for luxury brands like La Mer and Sisley Paris as well. So what I'm going to be talking about today is a product as a beauty influencer that I use, and it is from Paris, France. It's Lancome's Advanced Genifique. It comes in this beautiful, gorgeous bottle. It comes with a pre-dispensed daughter. You apply it onto the back of your hand like so. And the reason, ladies and gentlemen, that I'm applying it on the back of my hand as opposed to actually rubbing it into my fingertips is that when you rub product into your fingertips, where does it go? It goes into your fingertips, and that's what you want to avoid. So when you pick the product up, you apply on the forehead in gliding motions around the cheek area, around the lip area, around the chin area, upward motions around the décolleté as well, and you can also use it down around the crow's feet area as well. But why choose Lancôme? It is at the mid-luxury brand price point. So it is on the market. It comes in 4 different sizes, 30 mils for $99, 50 mils for $139, 75 mils for $189, and the best value, $255 for the 115 mils. So what is Lancome's Advanced Genifique? Well, the House of Lancôme was developed in 1935 by Armand Pétion, and it includes makeup, skincare, and a whole line of fragrances. So all of Lancôme products have the rose on it, which symbolizes beauty, rejuvenation, femininity, and regeneration of youth. And Armand Pétion wanted to make sure that that was on his products, and it still remains on them today. In 2015, Lancôme celebrated 80 years in business. Currently, it is under the umbrella of the parent company, L'Oreal. L'Oreal has a lot of companies under it, including Maybelline Cosmetics, L'Oreal Cosmetics, and much, much more. So is the cost worth it to me? Definitely it's worth it. So if you're concerned with anti-aging, if you're concerned with skin texture, if you're concerned with skin elasticity, if you're concerned with the resiliency of the skin, this is a product for you. It actually reduces, and you can actually see visible signs of aging reduced in as little as 7 days. I'll repeat, visible signs of aging reduced in as little as 7 days. This potent product is my lifesaver for my skin. And when I say lifesaver, it gives my skin the elasticity that it needs, the strengthening, helps to neutralize free radicals in the skin as well, and the skin's microbiome barrier as well. It actually contains 7 pre and probiotics. It also contains hyaluronic acid and glycerin as well. The product itself is an anti-aging product. So whether you're in your 20s or your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, you can use this product in your daily skincare regime, day and night. So what does it do? Why would you use it? So Lancome's patented formula is strengthening skin texture, tonality, increased radiance, resiliency of the skin, clarity of the skin. You're going to see an increased firmness to the skin. You're going to see a 77% increase after using one bottle, and the strengthening of your skin 2 times faster just after one bottle's use. Now for me, that's a total selling feature. Woohoo to Lancôme. So there are many other moisturizers on the market, but I want to focus on the Lancôme Advanced Genifique today and why you should use it as well. So, not only containing the hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant and boosts the moisture into your skin, it does contain bibidus extract as well. And it also contains a lot of neutralizing particles to neutralize free radical damage in the skin. So if you're concerned, ladies, about sagging around the chin area, the number 11 on the forehead, nasolabial folds, and all the benefits and features that I just mentioned about this product's for you. That is my review of the Lancôme Advanced Genifique. It is totally an awesome product. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for choosing Eccentrics, and we'll see you soon. Cheers!